इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really very yummy recipe of chicken burgers. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So you will need ginger 1.5 inch piece crushed, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, garlic a head crushed, soya sauce 2 tablespoon, mustard paste 2 teaspoon, green chilies 6 chopped, corn flour 3 tablespoon, salt half teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, eggs I will use 4, 1 large size chopped onion, chicken mince 1 kilogram, lettuce, tomato 1 sliced, cucumber 1 sliced, mayonnaise half cup, ketchup, buns and cheese slices. Now add crushed ginger and chicken mince and crushed garlic, chopped green chilies, chopped onion, soya sauce, mustard paste 1 teaspoon, chili powder, black pepper powder, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds, salt, chicken powder, corn flour, and mix all the ingredients really well. Then break an egg, beat it lightly and add it into chicken mince. Then break another egg, beat it and add it as well into chicken mince. Now mix it really well. After mixing it, give it a rest for 2 hours. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take mayonnaise and add rest of 1 teaspoon of mustard paste and mix them really well. And keep it aside. Now I will toast these buns lightly. Buns are toasted. Now on the upper part of bun, I am spreading mustard and mayonnaise mixture, and on its lower part, I am spreading ketchup. And do it with all the buns. Now heat up a frying pan and add oil and let it warm. Meanwhile, break an egg and beat it. Now mix the mince again. And make a patty. And dip it into beaten egg. Then put it into warmed up oil and shallow fry it. Then make another patty and repeat all the process. and fry it on medium heat. Now I'm changing its side. Now you can see they are completely fried from both sides. At this point, put cheese slice over frying chicken patty and put lettuce over bottom bun and put this cheesy patty over lettuce. Then repeat the process. Now assemble tomato and cucumber slices and close it. And secure it with a toothpick and make all the burgers in same way. I have made 8 burgers. And I am serving them with French fries. And you can get recipe of crispy French fries in description. And in last I am adding tomato ketchup over chips. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this yummy recipe of chicken burgers. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share the video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.